Let me save you some money right away if you think you need CapCut Pro to edit your videos, especially as a beginner. You can get most of these features people pay for in CapCut for absolutely free. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and even free AI tools. In this video, I will show you CapCut Pro features you can replace for free, the platforms you can use instead, and how beginners can edit their videos smartly without spending much money. So if you're just starting, don't skip this video because every information is useful, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. As a beginner content creator, paying for tools doesn't make your content better, but knowing what to do does. So let's break it down one feature at a time. Now, the first editing feature on our list that you can get for free outside CapCut is the Auto-Caption feature. Auto-Caption in CapCut is pro, but you can get this on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. TikTok has one of the best and accurate auto-caption, and you can get this all for free from these platforms. Auto-caption helps people watch your videos longer and they understand it better because they can read and hear what you are saying. This is how you make use of Instagram auto-caption for free. Download the Edit app by Instagram. Yes, Instagram has their own editing app. You can download it as a separate app. Then import your video to the app. Scroll to where you see caption. Tap on it and allow all your words to be converted to text. You can go ahead to pick the text template, font style, and do whatever you want to your caption. Go ahead to export and save your video to your device. To make use of the TikTok auto caption, I already have a tutorial on it. I will leave the link in this video description where you can watch and learn how to caption your video with TikTok for free without making use of CapCut Pro. The second one on our list is noise remover. CapCut also charges for noise remover, but you can get this noise remover feature on other platforms like TikTok and also Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is an AI tool that helps completely get rid of the noise in your audio. You can convert your video to audio, then use Adobe Podcast to remove the noise from that audio. I've made a tutorial video on how to use Adobe Podcast to completely get rid of the noise in your video. I will leave the link in this video description so you can completely remove the background noise of your audio for free. This tool is free. Then you can use TikTok voice enhancer to enhance your voice, thereby reducing the noisy background of your audio, and this can be done for absolutely free because bad audio kills good video. If people can't hear what you are saying, no matter how crispy or how clean your video is, nobody will watch it. So work on your audio before uploading the video. The third one on our list is green screen / background remover. Yes, CapCut also charges for background remover, but there are alternative tools or platforms you can use to remove the background of your video. You can use TikTok green screen to remove the background of your video. You can also use Instagram green screen to remove the background of your video. You can make use of this online platform called remove.bg and also photo room. This can easily help you to remove the background of your videos or photo, all for free. For photo room, you can still use the free version to remove your background. The fourth one on our list is music / sound effect. CapCut has limited music and sound effects that you can use in your video for other platforms. But here are free platforms you can use to get free music and sound effect. The number one on my list is YouTube Audio Library. Yes, if you intend to monetize your content, especially on YouTube, please make use of YouTube Audio Library. You can also make use of TikTok. I recommend if you make use of TikTok music, it should be for TikTok videos, so to avoid any copyright strike or issue. Then the third one is Mixit and also Pixabay. You can get free copyright music and sound from all these platforms that I've mentioned and use in your videos. This is to help you avoid any copyright issue or monetization issue in the future, especially if you are just starting. Now to the fifth one on our list, which is filters and colors. CapCut also has limited free filters and colors for free users. So here are platforms you can get free filters and colors. One is Instagram. You can make use of Instagram filters. Two is TikTok, and also Lightroom mobile. Filters are optional because consistency and added value matters more than filters. Your videos might not necessarily need filters, but in case you want to make use of filters, these are the platforms you can get free filters and different types of beautiful filters from. The last one on our list, which is stickers. Free stickers are also limited in CapCut because most of the stickers are Pro. But here are platforms you can get free stickers from. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Canva Elements. If you can make use of Canva, you can easily get free stickers from there. Making use of stickers are also optional. Don't use excessive stickers in your videos to distract viewers from the content you are creating or the value you are trying to add in your videos. So stickers should be used with caution. Finally, one truth beginners need to know is that CapCut Pro won't grow your audience or channel. Creating good content, adding value, and also creating what your audience wants will help grow your channel and will take you far. So here's what I would advise you as a beginner. Start with free tools, simple editing, clear message, then upgrade when your skills demand it, not because others are paying. You can only upgrade when your skills, when you know that, yes, my skills demand this upgrade. Upgrade when your skills demand it. And so this brings us to the last part of the video, which is, if you found this video useful, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on your notification as to get updated whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment or drop a message on any topic you want me to create, and I will gladly do that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. See you in my next video.